Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin. Plug the phone in and confirm battery is above 50% so the update won't drop mid-process. Once done, make sure your photos and contacts are backed up to your Google account or a local copy. This protects data if something unexpected happens. Next, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network and verify you have at least 2 GB of free space. Without both, the download or install may fail. Now open Settings to start the update check. You'll find updates under Settings, then System or Software Update. Tap Check for Update and let the phone search. If an update is available, tap Download. Choose Wi-Fi to avoid mobile data charges and to ensure a stable transfer. While downloading, avoid closing settings or restarting the device because interruptions can corrupt the package. Once the download completes, the phone will prepare the update. This step verifies files and applies patches safely, which is why you should let it finish without forcing other operations. Tap Install now and allow the phone to reboot. The device will apply the update during startup and may show a progress screen. Do not power it down. After it finishes and you reach the lock screen, unlock and go to Settings about to confirm the new Android version or security patch. If an update fails or the device won't boot, first try clearing system update cache and freeing storage, then retry. If problems persist, boot to safe mode to diagnose apps, or consider a factory reset only.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.